welcome to Blue Sky Kitchen. Today I'm going to make some muffins, whole wheat orange muffins. So for that, the ingredients I would need is some sugar, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 eggs, about 16 ounces of orange juice, 1/4 cup of oil, a little baking soda, and some flour, 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of white and 1 cup of wheat flour. So I'm just gonna mix these ingredients together. In this large mixing bowl, I'm just gonna combine all these ingredients together. This is the flour, sugar, teaspoons of baking soda, let's put the wet ingredients. So I'm gonna put in, this is the orange juice, I'm just going to add some oil. I'm going to just put in my 2 eggs. So what I'm going to do is just use my hand mixer. And I'm just gonna mix it. I'm just lining my baking tray, and I'm just gonna pour my batter in each. I've already preheated my oven. To make it easier to pour, I'm just gonna put it in this measuring cup. So it's all done. I'm just going to put these in the oven. I have some more butter. I'm going to do another batch as soon as these are over. I let it bake for about 45 minutes. So there you have them, guys. This is it here. Orange whole wheat muffin. It's a little hot. There it is, guys. Nice whole wheat muffins. Orange whole wheat muffins. Please like and subscribe. Tell me what you think of this recipe. Only on Blue Sky Kitchen. Enjoy!